Welcome to Moonshine. In this video we are going to learn about list tag. Let's learn it with an example. Similar to our checklist, to-do list, grocery list. In HTML, lists are used to display information visually in list format. In this video, let's see about two types of list. Number 1, ordered list. Number 2, unordered list. Let's get into the details. Ordered list tag is generally used to display instructions or information that has to be followed in an order. For example, starting a car. For that, you need to follow instructions in order, right? On the other hand, unordered list is used to simply display information which does not follow any order. For example, shopping list. You get things off the shelf, without any particular order in a supermarket. Enough of theory. Let's roll up the sleeves and start coding.